was super weird. I couldn't get my GoPro to turn on correctly. It would turn on, but it wouldn't go to the home screen. So this will be the Maiden start with the new welded exhaust. So let's see how it goes. I feel like it's still kind of loud. I think it sounds alright. A little bit of smoke, I think, coming from the welded area. Maybe it's not completely sealed if there's smoke coming from there. I mean, I'll still fly it. It's a lot more secure than when it was going to fall off on me. It's not going to fall off this time. It's just, I don't think the seal is as good. Unless there's some kind of material, like weld or something that's just melting. That'll do. Bye, geese. Booyah. It sounds pretty normal to me. This will be the maiden flight on this welded exhaust. And probably do a couple traffic patterns or something. Oops. And come back in and land and see how it looks. Let's go. Accidentally turned to the right on that one. Not because of the wind, but I also pinched my booty in the seat on takeoff. That didn't feel very good. Actually, to me, I'm gonna have to see what it sounds like in the video, because I don't always wear these headphones and maybe it sounds different with earplugs. But I like how it sounds, and I'm still on that wooden prop with the dents in it. It's also doing very well. Man, it's smooth as glass out here though, not a single bump. Man, it's nice out. Honestly, I don't even want to check the exhaust. It's doing that well. I think if I really pull myself out of the seat with some altitude, I can look at the exhaust and make sure it's not leaking or anything, but I know for a fact that it's going to hold up. This is a sweet plane. I guess it's a crop duster, I don't know. Put over the power lines. Man, it is so nice out right now. Honestly, I haven't flown in this smooth of weather in I don't know how long. I can't get over how perfect it is. Oh, I can hold such a steady line in this weather. So I still haven't even checked my exhaust, but I'm pretty confident it's alright. Someone landed there one time. Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can get this chute down. It wants to keep following me. don't even know why I didn't turn around that time. Wow. Sometimes I just land and I don't even think about where I'm gonna put the glider. Wow. To me, oh crap. Burned my gloves. I bet this is really hot. Now there's no smoke coming off of it, and it's even hotter. He's doing really well. Since it's hot, I'm gonna grab some pliers and wiggle that suspect screw around, see how loose it is, and if it's fine, if it was just all in my imagination, then I'm gonna take off. Of course I didn't lock my car.